Alright, here's another solving each system by graphing. So as you recall your model, it's y equals mx plus b. So this one's a weird one, right? You got fractions. Well, guess what? We are not afraid of fractions. Fractions are our friend. But I need to make sure that I put everything in the correct order. The x is correct. The y term should be over here. And the b term should be actually over here. So if I move everything around the way it should be, I get negative 1, 6y. The x stays the same. And the 1 becomes plus 1. I can do the cambio el mundo, right? Or multiply everything by negative 1 so that my y can be positive. That means all the signs change. Change your world. Okay? And then I can get rid of this 1, 6. I'm dividing by 6. I can multiply by 6. So 6 times 1 divided by 6 happens to be 1y. So we're pretty much got that 1y that we wanted. And then we multiply this one, that becomes 42 or 54. You can either use your calculator or you can use your brainiac. 42 and 54, they both divide by 6, correct? I'm giving you 7 over 9. So this one becomes 7 over 9x. And of course, 6 times negative 1 becomes minus 6. Okay, so we're done with this one. Now we're going to graph the other one in red, following our model. So here I have a 3y minus 21, negative 2x on this side. I can see the y is in the wrong place, and my x is in the wrong place. I'm going to move them around, so I end up with negative 3y equals positive x minus 21. The 21 didn't change. The 21 stayed the same, right? So, because it's already on the right side. Now, since my y is negative, I'm going to multiply everything by negative 1, or cambio el mundo, right? So that just changes everything. All these signs change. Okay? And then you leave the y as a positive 1 by dividing by 3. So we end up with positive y, or 1y. Here it becomes negative 2/3 x, and then plus 7. And that's the second one. So let's graph the blue one here, the first one. You start at negative 6. That's your y-intercept. Your slope is 7 9, so that means 7 up, because it's a change of y. Since it's positive, positive numbers on the y go up, over change of x. Since it's positive, positive numbers on the x go to the right. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. That's pretty much all I can graph there. So I'm going to connect the dots. Extend it this way, right? And then the red one there starts at 7, because that's your y, again, that's your y-intercept. This guy here is your slope. And change of y is negative, so it goes down. If the y is negative, negative numbers go down. The change of x is positive, so it goes to the right. Okay? So from here, it'll be 2 down and 3 to the right. If I continue, 2 down and 3 to the right, 2 down and 3 to the right. Connect the dots. Extend it right here. And I can see that my intersection is right there. So that makes my answer 9, 1. In other words, my x is 9, my y is 1, and that's the solution to the system.